our life. A company trying to close a big deal, however, the employees does not have discipline. Will the deal be closed? The client just arrived in the company's building, greeted by the guards, while in the conference room, a group of employees getting ready for the meeting. While on the meeting is in progress, a very timid employee enters the room. Late again. The client felt disappointed, but however, he gave another chance for the company to prove itself. A deadline date was given. The employees were given 3 days to finish the work. On the first day, 2 workers are sleeping on the job, while the other again. And on the second day of the job, still the same. Workers late and workers sleeping on the job. And then, the last day arrived. Workers realized that their time is almost up. Everybody rushing, panicking, but still the job was not done. On the day of the deadline, a disappointed client called for a meeting. The disappointed client left the building, a very big waste. A deal that could change a person's life just got wasted. A lot lost their jobs. What if we insert discipline on these scenarios? What if the employees demonstrated it? It's up to you to answer this question. Why is discipline important? Discipline teaches us to operate by principle rather than desire. Saying no to our impulses puts us in control of our appetites rather than vice versa. It disposes our lust and permits truth, virtue, and integrity to rule our minds instead. Good day and thank you.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.